New kitchen ideas for improving your kitchen. Your stylish and modernized kitchen is incomplete without kitchen bar stools. They are among the most attractive and appealing furniture pieces that can be placed in your kitchen. In addition, if they are shopped for with modishness in mind, they can become really attractive additions to your furnishings. Whether you choose rotating bar stools, or whether you opt for one that can't rotate, you'll find bar stools are worth their weight in gold, especially if you have a kitchen island or a bar counter where you can sit and eat. While you can find plastic stools, most modern homeowners would agree that plastic bar stools just don't deserve a place in their homes. This is why you'll find most stools are usually made from steel or from a good quality wood. With the increasing popularity of breakfast bars and kitchen islands, many people are looking forward to adding bar stools to accomplish their kitchen seating. While you are shopping for these bar stools, you will locate a wide range of selections.